Oh my God, is this me? We are not about to be walking around looking like burnt corn. They are gorgeous. Advantages of being an influencer. Use your sunscreen. Again. Hi. It was beautiful. It's good to have you again. Thank you. Let me put on the fan. It's beginning to get hot, Abby. I figured. Yesterday was hot. Can you see? Can you see that sun? Even your detail is even killing your light reflection. Yeah. Don't worry, I'll close the blinds. Welcome to behind the scenes of my birthday photo shoot. Hi guys, welcome to a new vlog. My name is Chioma. If you're new here, do well to smash the subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you love my vibe. Anyways, my makeup is so beautiful. Oh my God, is this me? Well, of course it's me. I do know it's me, but then I look extra gorgeous. I mean, I'm already gorgeous, but I look extra gorgeous and I love it. But yeah, my makeup artist just left. I turn 31 in a few weeks and I'm having my photo shoot today. Today is 24th of April. This photo shoot was very impromptu. I mean, I already knew that I was going to have a photo shoot done, but I didn't know it was going to be today. But this is the best time to have the shoot because I don't know what my next week is going to be looking like. And my birthday is upper week, so this is the best time to have the shoot. Also, my husband's birthday is 2 days after mine. The OGs of my channel already know this. My anniversary, my 4th year wedding anniversary is also next week, 30th of April. So basically, next week, upper week, celebration galore for my family and I. And I'm excited. Kamara is coming for this shoot with me. She's upstairs. So what I'm going to be doing now is getting her ready and packing my box. I'm not packing so much. And I'm also going to pick up my photographer because we are going to another city for this photo shoot. I'm using a content studio this year because I don't want to just have to use a plain background. I want to have the content studio vibe this year. So that's why we are going to another city. I'm going to definitely carry you guys along. So yeah, stay tuned. The appointment we're given for the studio is 2 p.m. and this is almost 11:30, but I want to leave home on time because I don't want to take chances. Once you've missed the appointment, that's it. Your slot is gone and I've already paid for my slot. It's a 1-hour slot. I've already paid for it. So we have to get there on time, if possible 1 hour before, because I don't want to hear stories. I don't want to hear any story. I can actually cry. I've paid for makeup. I can cry. This is the hair I'll be using for the shoot, but I would not be wearing it to the studio. So I will take it off and wear another wig. I just took it off. I just wore it because I just wanted to know what my face would look like. Who is it? Delivery, guys. Mama, let's get you ready. Anyways, guys, talk later.
Hold on. Did you say you're on your way? Right now, when you just went online, message received. Oh, now you want me back. I know the procedure. Try to come to my place, turn around, it's so fun.
So we just finished with the photo shoot. This place is so beautiful. I've gone back to square one. The pictures should be ready in like a few days. I love them. They are gorgeous. Wait till you see them. Excited. As you're here, I'm cringing. Oh my God. But yeah, the pictures are very lovely. I love them. This place is far from my house. Like it's like almost an hour drive. But yeah, I'm good. Anyways, can't wait to see my pictures. Anything for pictures. Are we done? Are we ready?
Yes, I just need to replace some of this.
Okay. Okay.
Like 5 minutes.
Okay. And this place looks really beautiful. Like, to be honest, I feel like this is somewhere that I can actually come and take like content in bulk. Like if I have like 5-6 contents planned out, I can actually just come here and especially fashion contents and maybe product photography and all of that. Like this place looks very beautiful. Every angle is given, like every angle is a hit back to back. I love it. But this is like my favorite part of the studio. It's really nice. And this is actually the part where I took my pictures. But yeah, very nice. I love it. Can't wait for you guys to see the pictures. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. I'm actually very hungry. That's why I feel like my mood is very, because I'm hungry and thirsty. But I'll find somewhere to get food and drinks and then head home. Pick your jacket, Mama. Pick your jacket. Take your shoes upstairs. Over there. Go, take it upstairs. Take it upstairs and then I'll put the TV for you. We're just getting home. I literally just walked into the house now. My box is still right there. I am very exhausted. I even had to stop by to get food. So I got amala and I got rice. So that was the restaurant that I did a video for. Just in case you missed it, I worked for the brand. It's a restaurant called Buka XP. Their food is really nice. So that was where I got the food from. I got the rice for free and I paid for the amala. Advantages of being an influencer. Clock it. Take your clothes upstairs, Mama. Don't leave your clothes in the sitting room. It's bad habits. Good girl. Take. Thank you much. You're welcome. I'll bring my own upstairs too. Don't worry. Good girl. Quickly, let me show you guys. I got this delivery when I got home. I got this from Amazon yesterday. I actually got this 2 days ago. And there's something here that I needed for my shoot that didn't come on time. But I think I might return it because it didn't come on time and I've already done the shoot. This is an ironing table. I've been wanting to get this for the longest time because we are always, bending our backs to iron and stuff. And it's been very inconvenient. Or sometimes you just iron on the bed. But I think it's very inconvenient and it's just improper. So I had to get this for the house. See what's in here. I got this needle and thread from Amazon. I got this is Camara soap, a body wash, and this is the most exciting delivery, or this is the most exciting item I got. This is a doorbell because people are trying to break my door. Delivery men are trying to break my door. Tell me why these people, especially Royal Mail, when they knock, the way they knock, it's like they want to bring down the door. And sometimes it gives me anxiety, like when you knock and it's like very unexpected, my heart starts beating fast. I had to get this before they will kill me. Why do I feel like even after putting this doorbell, these people will still bang the door? I don't know. Why do I feel that way? This one requires using a screw. I'm going to have to wait till my husband gets back home. That's his forte, not mine. That's a man's job. I don't know. Once I see screw, I know that it's not for me. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And I'm going to connect this to the wall and put this on the door. Yeah, nice. I also got a delivery. That was, yeah, got this delivery. And this is from a brand. I already opened it. This is from a brand called Tokobo. I'm sure if you are a skincare girly, you should know them. I've heard a lot about them before. They reached out to me and sent me their sunscreen. I've heard great stuff about them, and I'm going to be using them because we've gotten into the summer. We're heading to summer, so sunscreen is a must. We are not about to be walking around looking like burnt corn. Use your sunscreen. So this is days later. Today is the 29th of April and this is 9:08. I'm exhausted, as you can see. I'm going to address the elephant in the room. So we're doing some renovations in the house. If you notice, there's a change in the couch, and a few other tweaks will be going on in the coming days and in the coming weeks. So for now, I might not want to share that, but I'm definitely going to do a review. I'll probably do a home tour or a living room tour rather, and just show you guys the changes that I've made in my living room area. It's very minimalist, but I love it, and I can't wait to show you guys. I'm so exhausted, guys. Like, I'm super duper exhausted mentally, physically. We are all exhausted because we have just been putting in a lot of physical work into, we're in the UK, so it's very difficult to find people to help you move your stuff. So yeah, the old furniture, we had to give them out. My dining table, a lot of things we had to give out, but yeah, that's absolutely fine. I hope you guys are doing great. Nothing serious is going on with me at the moment, only that tomorrow is my wedding anniversary. Yeah, so we are turning 4 years in marriage tomorrow, and I'm super excited, but we would not be celebrating that. We'll be having like a double celebration. Yeah, I think that's a better word. We'll be having a double celebration alongside our birthdays, which I would definitely carry you guys along as well. So yeah, that's like the major update at the moment, and I hope you guys are doing great. I will speak to you guys soon, probably my birthday or before then, hopefully, fingers crossed. All right guys, speak soon.